Airpods 3rd Gen by JBtech, yours truly. Nagamit ko nga pala yung mic ng 3rd Gen 1562M Aero. So far, ang boxes natin okay naman, pero syempre compared to original, hindi ka naman katulad talaga, and then yung plastic niya is not that thick, for the reason that medyo mahal yung air shipping, so we tend to keep it this way. USB Lightning C, regular plastic pouch. If you see here, medyo mas maliit siya, pero yung weight halos parehas lang din. Kung naririnig nyo, syempre naririnig nyo yung mic. Medyo parang may white noise siya, pero compared sa Pro na may noise cancelling, mas clear to. Yan. And hindi siya ganun kasikip, syempre kasi hindi siya silicone na buds na talagang nakasuksok sa tenga. Icons are in 3rd Gen, volume, widgets, and also firmware. I think it's the same as the latest firmware ng Apple. So that's the reason na medyo mas okay yung mic natin ngayon. In here, tingnan natin yung air reps, just to check if the product that we have are real Aero 1562M air. Kensya na kayo, first time ko lang mag-review. Actually active yung low latency mode niya, but you can do it in air reps. Air reps are only available in Android. Battery accuracy is very good, and tinest ko kanina, for 1 hour it only consumes 15% of the battery, so most likely around 6 to 7 hours on full volume. And dito press siya, hindi siya tap yan. If you see in the video, hindi gumagana kapag tinatama, so you need to press it.